Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to blur a number plate of a car in Capcut PC. First, click the plus button twice, and then after that, drag the first video at the top of other video. And now, click on the effects and search for the blur. Now, scroll all the way down and find this effect and drag it at the top video. Now, select the top video and go overhead and click on Mask and click on Add Mask. Now, adjust the mask same as the size of the number plate of the car. And after that, what you're going to do is to click on the basic option and add a keyframe. Now after that, play the video and drag the mask every time it's out of the place. And as you can see, it automatically adds a keyframe for you. You just have to do this up till the end of the video. Now this is the result, and that's how to blur a number plate of a car in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.